Okay, in this exercise we are going to learn how to sum up numbers, the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so let's open PyDroid 3. In this file, we can create files inside PyDroid 3. It is very easy. Just click over this button, the folder button, and then we can use the new option, the new command to create a new file. Okay, and now let's define a variable. We can call it sum, some numbers, exactly, some numbers, and we assign the value 0. Before the sum, this accumulator variable, some number, will start with the 0 value, and then over each iteration over the 10 number, we will accumulate each of those values inside that variable. So let's create a for loop, declare the iteration variable I. In range, we call that function to create a range that will start in 1 and the final value will be 10. But the range value in this case will create numbers from 1 to 9. 10 is not included, so we need to sum up one number. The last value will be, in this case, 10. Okay, and now over the sum numbers variable, we will accumulate the contents of the iteration variable I. So for each iteration, iteration variable I, we will go from 1 to 10. The first value will be 1, the second one, 2, etc. Finally, we can print the contents of that variable in the console using the print function. We will write some numbers inside the parentheses of the print function. This is an argument that will be processed, that will be printed exactly over the terminal. Now we can click the run button, the play button, and the result is here. So we can see that the sum from 1 to 10 is 55. That is the final value of that variable, the variable sum numbers. Okay.